Hello, and welcome to the Cremsen user training. We will enumerate the different components that make up the solution. We will discuss each of the components at a high level. What functions are available? What can a user do using these components? First, we will discuss the cloud-based core, and then we will discuss Centrix, which is the browser CMS for the solution. We will talk through the features available in the Controlix display app. We will enumerate what we can do using Cremsen DMA, which is the mobile-based subset of Centrix. The tutorial also covers a few concepts we have in Cremsen like zones, screencast, and localized schedules. Let's start by discussing the components of the Cremsen solution. Cremsen's core is hosted on a secure cloud. Access to customers' content is restricted by password-protected access. Centrix is a browser-based CMS for managing customer account. Customer admin would be able to manage zones, users, displays, and categories using this application. The user is able to handle all content-related tasks including sending them to the specific displays. Cremsen DMA is a mobile-based tool for managing displays. Using this app, the user would be able to manage the devices while on the go. Controlix Display is a set of applications that contacts the Cremsen Secure Cloud Core to find out what content is supposed to be played at what times. The apps also ensure the display is up and running the contents at all times. Centrix application also facilitates the user in managing customers' business locations called zones. Customer admin users can create and manage zones mapping their business locations in the system. The devices automatically link themselves to relevant zones based on their physical locations and their distance to the zone's location. Screencast is another powerful feature available in the Cremsen DMA mobile-based app. It allows the user to connect to a specific display and see what is playing there at that time. An organization's users can be working from different time zones. Cremsen does the time zone conversions appropriately. So if a user sitting in Central Time Zone schedules a layout to appear at 11 a.m. at the time of company central meeting. If this layout is scheduled on displays on different time zones, then the system will do the relevant conversion to make sure the layout gets displayed at 9 a.m. in Pacific Time Zone, similarly at 10 o'clock at Mountain Time Zone, 11 a.m. at Central Time Zone and 12 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. Even though they are in a different time zone. Similarly, there may be a requirement where a restaurant wants its outlets to show a specific layout during their lunchtime, let's say at 12 p.m. The localized schedule option enables a layout to appear on devices placed in different time zones according to their local clocks. So, if a user sitting in all the different time zones will get to see the layout at 12 p.m. according to their respective time zone.